talk about the advantages of division of labor. One, it increases the skill of workers. Practice the same makes perfect. That is, what you do constantly, perfection is inevitable. Another one is time saving. Division of labor, especially in industries, saves time. Also, it reduces fatigue for workers, especially the laborers working in factories directly. When there is division of labor, they get to work just in one segment, which will reduce the level of fatigue that they will experience at the end of each working day. Also, division of labor encourages use of machines. Yes, the use of machines, which helps to facilitate more production of goods needed. Also, it leads to specialization. Division of labor leads to specialization for the workers also working in companies, industries, whatsoever sector they find themselves in. You get specialized in that particular labor you engage yourself in regularly. It also leads to economizes too. When machines used in industries get to do specific duties at specific time of the day, not at all times of the day, it helps to save the lifespan of such tools and machineries. Division of labor also creates employment opportunities. In a place where every segment needs different laborers to come in at different times, employment definitely will be open to the people of such nature. Now to the disadvantages of division of labor. One, it leads to the production of low quality goods as a result of mass production. It also leads to loss of craftsmanship and employment due to use of machines. The use of machines, as we know, would cover the work. One machine can cover the work of 10 laborers, and as a result, loss of employment will be inevitable. Also, it brings about interdependence, likewise tiredness and frustration. It also leads to monotony of work, which will make work uninteresting for workers, since you have to do the same thing, you have to go through the same production process over and over again at the same pace, the same process and everything. Work will definitely be uninteresting for such worker. Division of labor also makes workers, yes, when it comes to them wanting to change jobs, because of the knowledge they have in just one area of production or one area of distribution or one area of work, having to change job and to switch departments might be so hard for such worker. Also, it leads to boredom. Staying too long on the same production process will lead to boredom and tiredness, also frustration. Also, job hazard will be experienced as a result of this division of labor. Some workers in the process of working in industries lose some of their vital body organs. Some also as a result of taking in chemical substances and smoke that comes out from machines used in industries can also develop cancerous diseases. Also, division of labor is not ideal in every form of occupation. For example, farming occupation, because farming is carried out in stages and at different times and seasons. Now we'll go to the interrelationship between production and exchange. Now let's look at the interrelationship between production and exchange. We know production to be the creation of utility. Utility means satisfaction. And we know exchange to be transfer of goods and services from one person to another or from one point to another. And therefore, how are these two terms interrelated? Production leads to division of labor, and as a result, specialization is needed. When these processes are joined together, then surplus production can be achieved. And surplus production is given out to people in exchange for what they have in return. Therefore, this medium of production process is said to be complete, which brings about the interrelationship between production and exchange. Goods and services produced, especially surplus production, would be complete when they are exchanged, either goods for goods, or services for services, or goods for money, or money for goods. In our next video, we'll be treating past questions from SSC and UTME examinations.